Rolling.
All right, Eden Gardens, the home of the Knights, the Kolkata Knight Riders, and here we are at a practice session once again. जहाँ पे it's always a very very serious kind of mood that all the players are in because जो आप practice पे करते हैं चाहे आप कितनी देर क्यों ना करें कम match day वो सारी practice जो है वो रंग लाती है. And here we are with 3 different nets जहाँ पे 3 अलग अलग तरीके के skill sets जो हैं उन पे practice की जा रही है. So where we are right now, that's where all our strike bowlers, all our main bowlers are bowling right now. Robin Uthappa is batting in that net. The ball that you just saw being delivered was Prasidh Krishna, who, by the way, I should mention, I'm standing here with the voice of Kolkata Knight Riders, कि Prasidh Krishna पिछले साल जब वो आए थे IPL में तो उस टाइम पे उनकी स्पीड जो है वो somewhere between say the late 130s and 145, and at the KKR Academy he managed to now practice so well that he's got 10 kilometers added to his speed.
Absolutely, and also his time that he has spent, outside India, bowling in for India A in England and conditions outside, which obviously, like right now, you're seeing from top the pitch, right? That's a typical Indian pitch, but at the same time, the Eden Gardens this year has been very good to pacers, and we've seen Prasidh bowl some really quick deliveries, and obviously the experience counts from bowling in grassy pitches in swinging conditions, which is probably not as much over here, but at the same time. Even the other guys, like right now you can see on your screen, that's Shrikant Munde over there, Sandeep Warrior is also over there. So everyone has been putting in their hard work. Beach mein, obviously we have like the usual nets mein jaise hota hai, beach mein spinner bowling. Piyush Chawla coming in right now. Those revs on the ball, seriously. He's been really good for us this season. Let's move on to the other net, I say. This is obviously a spectacular view to watch the practice from. This is exactly the same ground which fills up with 65,000 people, and those empty stands that you're seeing on the backdrop is just for the practice sessions, obviously, when the match comes. And those 2 nets, just like what you were saying, Suren, as you can see, are the Bangladesh যারা join করছেন, by the way, আমাদের এখানে এই পুরো বছরে এই পুরো সিজনে আপনারা যতগুলো ম্যাচেসে এসেছেন এই প্রত্যেকটা স্ট্যান্ড ভর্তি রেখেছেন তার জন্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ. কিপ সাপোর্টিং আস দ্যাট ওয়ে, বাট দেন ওকে, নাও লেটস হ্যাভ আ লুক এট দিস 2 नेट्स टुगेदर. सुरेन, ओवर टू यू ब्रदर.
सो ये जो लेफ्ट साइड पे आप नेट देख रहे हैं उस पे नीतीश राणा बैटिंग कर रहे हैं, who's had a great season actually. काफ़ी रन्स जो उन्होंने बनाए हैं. For me personally, I mean, I think I can make this personal opinion. Even though हम वो मैच जो है वो नहीं जीत पाए अगेंस्ट RCB, 10 रन से हम लोग हार गए, but the way Andre Russell and Nitish Rana batted in that game, for once in this entire season, I thought there was a batsman who managed to eclipse Andre's antics on the field. Nitish ने जिस तरीके से वो छक्के लगाए, वो चौके लगाए, and his strike rate was phenomenal. Even Andre spoke about it. And then on the other side is I think his best friend, if I'm not wrong. इन दोनों की दोस्ती जो है, it is more like जय वीरू. It's not even like Laurel and Hardy because they both are these back-slapping partners. एक तरफ है नीतीश राणा, the left, and then right में है रिंकू सिंह. But the one thing I think I need to mention is both of them, as fun as they might be off the pitch, on the pitch, the focus, the discipline is something else, and it shows. The way Rinku charges on the field, I honestly think there's no fielder who's better than him when it comes to that kind of speed, man.
Absolutely, it's intense competition even between the two of them, being like absolute brothers, like you just said. अभी बहुत ही बहुत ऊपर से दिख रहा है, like, and I love this view, man, because this is not a view that you always get to see. People are actually the size of ants over here, and those 4 shadows, for most of you obviously know about it, those obviously coming in from the 4 lights that we have on 4 corners. This doesn't happen in certain stadiums like say Mohali for instance, because the positioning of the floodlights are different over there, but this is a beautiful view. And just like going back to what Suren was saying, obviously there's intense competition between Rinku and Nitish, and we've seen that during practice. They want to outdo each other, both being left-handers and playing for a kind of similar spot in whichever team they play for. One plays for UP, one plays for Delhi, but जितनी हंसी मजाक हमें दिखती है, which is also very nice to see the camaraderie and the brotherhood between these two off the field. But yeah, when it comes to the cricket, when it comes to the batting, it's obviously polar opposite, and they're always trying to outdo each other.
You know, ये जो pitches हम देख रहे हैं, the match pitches that we actually play on. So we have our foreign export this time who joined us. I think he was the last one to join us because of the injury to Anrik, and that was Matt Kelly. And he mentioned something very interesting, that the Eden Gardens pitch currently, when he was bowling at practice, he said it reminds him of his home city, which by the way used to be the fastest pitch in the world, and that is the Perth Stadium, which is in Australia, Western Australia. He said the amount of carry that the ball was getting, the pace at the wicket was reminding him of Perth. And then we went to our captain, Dinesh Karthik, and we asked him, Matt said this, and Dinesh took a second and he said, I promise you, I've played on enough pitches in India, in the subcontinent, और शायद ईडन गार्डन्स की पिच, एक टाइम पे याद है हम लोग कहते थे कि मोहाली की पिच एंड वानखेड़े जो है, यू नो, विद दैट रेड सॉइल एंड ऑल, यूज्ड टू बी द फास्टेस्ट पिच इन द कंट्री. बट ही सेड नाउ आई थिंक दैट द टाइटल ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट पिच इन द country has to go to Eden Gardens, especially in that match where DK scored 97. Exactly. He said, I loved batting on that day because the ball was coming onto the bat so nicely. That was just well suited for my game.
Absolutely, obviously, and right after this practice sessions and when the IPL is over, he moves on to England to represent the country in the World Cup, which is obviously going to be a very challenging time and challenging tournament. But obviously, India going in as one of the favourites, because you can't just single out any one team as favourites for that tournament anymore, given the kind of show that they've put on in the IPL, individuals from every team. It's going to be an intense tournament. But Abhi, coming back to Eden Gardens, because this is one of our last times this season that you're going to see our nights together, obviously. DK speaking to Karyappa over there, and you know, that's been the beauty of things. Like, even if results haven't gone our way in certain games, the camaraderie between people has been tight, and that's what you want to see at the end of the day. Moving on from there, obviously we have a lot of net bowlers who have also pitched in throughout the season. You've seen like them bowling in and out, and some of them, you know, who knows, people might have been noticing them. Last year we noticed some people coming out from that same zone to going on to represent franchises around the tournament. But at the same time, this has been one addition that we have made to our entire campaign of showing you this entire practice session from a different perspective. I hope you guys have obviously enjoyed this. We've been using this right from the beginning, from lives to everything. You've been seeing it there. Suren has obviously been taking you around, showing you much more, you know, close to the action that's been going on. चलिए सुरेन, अब थोड़ा बात करते हैं यहाँ पे अभी बैटिंग पे कौन आ गया है. देखो, शुभमन गिल obviously.
सुपरस्टार इन द मेकिंग, इफ नॉट सुपरस्टार ऑलरेडी. एंड मैन, मैं सच बता रहा हूँ, जितना मैंने शुभमन को मैसेजेस पास किए हैं थ्रू द सीज़न, जो शुभमन के इतने सारे फैंस बने हैं, you know, in this season of the IPL, for the way he has conducted himself, the way he bats, and especially that interview जो हम लोगों ने प्राइम टाइम पे चलाया था of शुभमन saying कि वर्ल्ड कप के अलावा भी he has certain goals, and if it has to happen, it will happen. But I think if you talk of the brightest like cricketers on the block, especially those who will go represent India for a long time, Shubman Gill's name would definitely be right at the top of that list.
Obviously, at this age, obviously what he's done and what he's achieved for his age is great. But also, what Shubman also says, it really doesn't matter to him a lot about what people have been saying or writing about him, because at this point, obviously we are in the era of, you know, where there is a lot of social media, where there's a lot more journalists talking to you all the time. But at the same time, it's nice to see that he's a guy who has his head on his shoulders. And as you can see, you know, I mean, he's just human too. So we all hope that he'll do great, and he'll go on to represent the country, obviously, and he'll do great things for Kolkata Knight Riders too, in hopefully this season for the remaining games that we have, or obviously going ahead and when we see him again in the purple and gold in the coming seasons. So yeah, that was a good perspective to watch the practice session from. So we'll be back with this very soon. If not, then obviously we have the coming seasons when you're obviously going to see a lot more of this. There's also the KKR Academy in the off seasons, as you know, so we'll leave you with one final shot of something that you've...
Shot? Did you just say shot? You should say plural, because I think the one last thing that we're going to leave you with is the icing on the cake, and that's the slow swagger. I don't know, his swagger reminds me of the way Sir Vivian Richards used to walk to the crease. But that's the talisman, the giant of the Kolkata Knight Riders, with all his arsenal, all his weaponry, and that is Andre Russell. The kind of monikers that he's got, Russellmania, Muscle Russell, all kind of are befitting. So we'll keep quiet. We'll just let you enjoy what the man is doing before he goes into the nets and starts hitting the ball out of the park. So from Eden Gardens, this is us, over and out.